Markets could move sharply today because three major economic reports dropped this morning, and they could decide the next move for stocks. In the next minute, we will cover the key data hitting the market today, the most important levels on the S&P 500, and the critical support and resistance for the Nasdaq. Yesterday, the S&P 500 closed at 6,672.62, down 103 points, a decline of 1.52%. The Nasdaq Composite dropped even harder, closing at 22,311.98, down 1.78%. Selling pressure was broad across the market, and many portfolios definitely felt it. Now, today is where things get interesting. At 8:30 AM Eastern, we get the second estimate of fourth quarter GDP, JOLTs job openings, and the Federal Reserve's preferred inflation measure, Core PCE. If the numbers come in hotter than expected, rate cut hopes could fade and stocks could push lower. But if the data comes in cooler, the market could see a relief rally, so traders will be watching every tick. On the S&P 500 chart, the key level to hold is 6,670. A break below that level could quickly open the door to 6,650, or even 6,530. On the upside, resistance sits between 6,691 and 6,700, and if the market pushes above 6,700 and holds, bulls regain some breathing room. The Nasdaq is currently showing more weakness. Immediate support sits near 22,290, and a break below that level could open the door to 21,900. On the upside, resistance sits around 22,550, and because technology stocks are leading the move, traders should watch QQQ closely. There are two clear scenarios today. If the data comes in hot, expect more selling pressure and a fast test of support levels. If the data comes in cooler, we could see a quick bounce toward resistance and possibly some short covering across the market. Either way, trade small and use tight stops, because this type of data can move the market very quickly. Remember, this content is for education only, not financial advice. Always do your own research, drop your levels in the comments, and subscribe for daily Apex outlooks. Let's see what the data brings, and as always, trade smart.